Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Erank to skyrocket your Etsy sales. Click on the first one that comes up and we're going to click on start for free. After that we're going to fill out this form and register. And then they're going to send you an email, so you have to head over to your email account. Then we're going to click on activate account and then we're going to click on login. And then once you do, it's going to bring you to a page like this. There are a bunch of options, but we're going to click on the keyword research, just like so. After that, it's going to bring us to a page like this. Make sure the country is set to wherever you are from and what country you want your particular audience to be. And then suppose your keyword is cute sticker. And then we hit enter. And then it's going to load and take some time. But then you can see that it's going to show the ones that have the most traffic, like cute sticker has this many, and then sticker cute, and the cute vinyl sticker, and the cute car sticker. All of these you can copy the ones and just paste it on your Etsy, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.